I'm Ryan Garrett. My wife Jillian and I started Blue Ridge Farm with a focus on healing our property through regenerative agriculture. One of our key farm values is outreach, helping people be more connected with their food and the community that grows it. Every Friday, we find ourselves at the Chewelah Farmers Market. When we can get away from our own vendor booth for a few minutes, this is a great excuse to grab a few things to help us create a local meal highlighting some of the folks in our area that grow and make cool stuff. This week, I'm replicating a meal I made previously when I spotted some gorgeous fennel in Chateau Bellevaux's booth. I instantly thought I could pair it with some of the morels and asparagus that pop up on our own farm this time of year. The result was a pasta with an interesting texture and flavor that we've been craving ever since. Last week we had a handful of fresh morels, but this week I'll be using dried ones from last year. You can't have a bumper crop every season. A dish this good should be presented well, and for that I had to look no further than Spirit of Clay. Red makes some technically impressive pottery. Her newest glaze, dubbed Galaxy, caught my eye as a candidate for contrast to this creamy pasta I was envisioning. Coarsely chopping the fennel, stems and all, lends just the right amount of crunch to the dish. Leaning into that, I removed the upper portion of the asparagus to sear it as a garnish and thinly sliced the rest of it and put it in the creamy mushroom sauce. I mixed some homemade noodles that I seasoned with thyme and finished in the sauce for a bit of extra flavor. Plated up in a custom bowl, the dish looks as great as it tastes. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more local seasonal meals updated weekly.